In this new video, I'm going to reveal 9 foolproof ways that you can make $100 per day as a videography. In fact, some of these methods will earn you $100 per day as soon as this weekend. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which ones can earn you $100 per day this weekend. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I have made money with everything from security cameras to sound bars, web hosting, microwaves, and even online courses. If you want real internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free training to make money online in 4 easy steps. All right, as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to list 9 different ways that you can make money as a videographer. Now, these methods are simple. They're really easy. They're no-brainers, and literally anybody can do it. You can be a beginner videographer who just got their first DSLR camera yesterday, or you can be an expert. Each of these methods can work for you at any step. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to show you how you can start making money relatively quickly. The first one that I want to show you is actually with creating an online course. Now, there are 2 ways to create an online course and make money, make $100 per day. The first way, and I think the way that a lot of people are familiar with, is to jump over to a website like Udemy. As you can see on my screen here, I'm at udemy.com, and I just typed in videography, very general, very basic, but you can see there are subsections or sub niches that you can get into. Now, the good thing with Udemy is that there are tons of people already coming to this platform, and so you can take advantage of the traffic. You can get recommended based on what other people have been searching for. But if we look at this here, it says food, wedding, mobile phone, DSLR, drone, iPhone, mobile. So there are tons of sub niches to get into. The only drawback with using something like Udemy is it's insanely competitive, and you quite frankly don't exactly get what you're worth per course. You know, you're putting a lot of time, energy, and effort into these courses, and you might not make as much. The alternative to that is to sell the course on your own. You can sell it through Facebook ads, you can sell it through YouTube ads, and even in Pinterest ads. For example, if we look at this course here, it's called 14-Day Creator or 14-Day Filmmaker, excuse me. They teach you how to create a course, how to become a filmmaker in just 14 days. Now, this course I believe sells for about $37, and they use Facebook and YouTube ads primarily. And using Facebook and YouTube ads is actually really easy. You just want to figure out who your target market is or your target audience, and you are going to create ads to target them. This is a better way to, in my opinion, to make $100 per day, because you are going directly to the consumer and you're interrupting whatever it is that they're scrolling for. They have a problem. Maybe they want to learn how to become a stock photography maker, or they want to learn how to get more money or make more money as a wedding videographer. You could create a course to help them out with that. But 14-Day Filmmaker is a great example of someone that used or ran Facebook and YouTube ads, got in front of a targeted audience, and made money. But that's number one, is with creating a course and hosting it and selling it yourself. Now, they're using Kajabi. You can use Teachable. You can use Podia. There's tons of softwares out there. Don't let the software stand in your way for creating the course and start making money. That is number one. Number 2 is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. So what you can do is you can create content on social media, whether it's TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, and you're going to recommend the best product for their needs. For example, if we look at this website called Ahrefs, we're going to come back here in just a moment. Best cameras for videography. It gets 1,000 searches per month, and you could create this content. People are asking this exact same question. For example, if we come over to TikTok like this and we type in best videography or best camera for, you're going to see that there is all sorts of people creating content trying to solve that problem. So we'll just type in best videography, best camera for photography. We'll do videography like this, and you're going to see that there are lots of people that are asking this question. And if you can solve that problem, you can make money. For example, here, I believe this guy looks like he's from Think Media, which is a YouTube channel, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. But he's 106,000 views, simply asking and answering questions. Best cheap first film camera. If you have knowledge, experience, and background, you can recommend what works and what doesn't work. A lot of people are just gravitating to, recommendations based on YouTube. You can do the same thing on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, but I really like affiliate marketing because you don't need your own product. You can just create content helping people out and solving a problem. You can create a video best camera for wedding videography or wedding photos, something along those lines, and make money. But you can see there are hundreds of thousands of views just on TikTok alone, and you can repurpose your same videos on Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels and Pinterest and make money. But you could start affiliate marketing today and potentially start seeing some success by this weekend. So number 2 is with affiliate marketing. Number 3 is starting your own YouTube channel. Now look at this. I typed in how to videography and people are asking about wedding, mobile. It's kind of like the same thing with courses, but you can make money a number of ways with your YouTube channel. What we can do here is we could say something like, let's do how to underscore videography like this. And then we're going to take a look at how to videography wedding, and 35,000 views, 353,000 views from 1 year ago. You can see people are asking questions about this. The great thing about starting a YouTube channel is you simply would just create content within your niche or area of expertise. If you know about drone footage, how to shoot amazing drone photography, videography, you're going to see that there are lots of people that are asking this questions. People are asking about real estate videography and 6 tips to improve your drone footage. These are getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. And I typed in Amazon instead of amazing, but you can see that there are tons of opportunities. And with the YouTube, you can make money in a number of ways. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. Once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can apply to monetization. But you can start affiliate marketing right away. You can actually book clients through your YouTube channel. For example, if you're creating amazing content about drone footage, someone from a real estate company could reach out to you and say, we want to partner with you. We'll fly you out to wherever you need to go. We'll fly you out to California, and we want you to shoot drone footage for our condo so that we can sell more of these condos. You can make money with brand deals and sponsorships, and that's basically in video promotion. Maybe the makers of the drone that you see in your screen, they want to sponsor the next 5 videos. You can make money working directly with different brands. You can make money selling your own merchandise. You can make money selling your own digital products, which we'll talk about in just a moment. The great thing with YouTube is that you are basically selling 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without having to physically be out in the world. And what I mean by selling is you're creating content to help solve a problem. When you solve a problem, people tend to build a connection with you, and then you can essentially sell or market whatever it is that you're interested in. You can also sell merchandise. There's just a ton of ways. And the cool thing with YouTube is you can put all of these links in the description of your videos and people will click on them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But number 3 is starting a YouTube channel. Number 4 is creating a digital product. A digital product is simply something that you put together and it's an instant download. It's a downloadable. It's kind of like a course, but it might be something that is just a blueprint or a guide or even a LUT. So maybe you've put together custom LUTs for weddings. You can sell these. For example, I'm on lutcompany.com and they are selling a wedding LUT pack that someone could download right into their computer for video editing. Now this is going for $39, but the cool thing is it's an instant download and they're selling this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you create this once and then you can sell it again and again and again. You can sell presets. You can even sell something like custom settings for someone that's just getting started with a Canon M50 Mark II. For example, if they want a certain look or a certain feel, you can sell it. Now you may be thinking, why would someone buy that? Simply because they can find it free online, but people will buy things if you can save them time or save them money. And if you can put together a comprehensive blueprint where you're showing people how to do something quickly, they're going to pay for that because they don't want to spend hours watching YouTube videos with the hope that maybe it gets solved. So you can see the good and bad of starting a YouTube channel. And you can even make money with digital products, but there are all sorts of things out there. You can sell everything from a podcast to a 43-page blueprint. You can sell an ebook. You can sell a course, as I mentioned, but I feel like courses are separate than digital products. You can even look on Etsy and see what people are selling. You can even sell something like a template. If you could put together a template or templatize your business, you could put it together and sell it to other people and make money. But I really like digital products because you create the product once and you sell it again and again and again. Unlike a physical product, you don't have to worry about packaging it up and shipping it. You don't have to worry about physical returns. The only drawback I would say to a digital product is you do have to worry about customer service. You do want to make sure your customer's happy, but creating a digital product is really, really profitable. The next way that you could make money is actually selling stock video. For example, I'm over here on this website called Videohive, and they are selling stock videos, stock photos and videos of different places. Now, you might be wondering and asking yourself, who buys or who would download this type of stuff? People like YouTubers will buy it and use it for B-roll. If there's a company out there that's doing an ad for a different brand, they're going to buy it. There's many use cases for stock videos and stock photo. If you go to Tahiti, or if you go to Fiji or somewhere like that, you can actually record the sunset and then put it on a website like Videohive and make money. This is just like digital products where you make money again and again and again just on one upload. So I really like this opportunity as well. You could also sell stock photos, stock videos on your own. One of the benefits of using Videohive is that, again, it's a marketplace that a lot of people are already aware of and they come to. But if you have a YouTube channel, if you have a blog, if you have social media, you could sell stock photos or stock videos on your own. But I really like selling stock videos because, you create the video once and really you could just create raw footage and upload it and people will make the necessary changes. After selling stock videos, you could also start a blog. Now, a blog is just written content. It's very much like a YouTube channel, but with a blog, you're writing out, you're answering questions in a written format. There are tons of blogs out there. For example, look at this blog right here. It's called passionpassport.com. Videography basics, tips for beginners. So you could create an entire blog about tips for beginners, and you can actually make money in multiple ways with your blog. Just like with YouTube, with a blog, you can make money by having ads. Google AdSense will pay you, not a lot in the beginning, but you can make money that way. You can make money with affiliate marketing. You can land clients and deals all through your blog because people will trust you because you have written content on your blog. You have answered a question and solved problems simply through your blog. Now, the common denominator with all of this is if you can find a way to solve someone's problem, you can get paid for it. And that's basically what I've illustrated throughout this entire video. You solve a problem, you identify a problem. The problem is someone wants to start with videography, but they don't know where to begin. You give them 10 or 15 tips, and then you can make money. But getting back to all the different ways that you can make money with your blog, again, running ads, affiliate marketing, selling your own digital or physical products, brand deals, guest posting. You can actually work directly with advertisers to have ads placed directly on your website. You can sell your online course. You can find local clients and local businesses, and you can make money. So there are a ton of ways to make money from your blog, and it's relatively easy once you get up and running. You just need to figure out what your niche is. For example, if we come over to Ahrefs, you can see drone videography gets 1,000 searches, but if we look at this a little bit closer, we paste in drone videography here, and you're going to see that there's 3.8 thousand searches per month and 475 keywords just for drone videography. That doesn't include the different types of drones that are out there. That doesn't include all of the questions that come with the different types of drones, but you can see that people are asking a lot of questions with general topics like drone videography wedding could potentially be something interesting that you could create content, start a blog or a YouTube channel. After starting a blog, you can freelance. Now, there are tons of ways that you can freelance, and I'm going to try and run through these relatively quickly. With freelancing, one of the ways is you jump over to a website like Fiverr, like this, and then just type in videography. And what you can do is you can do a little bit of video editing. Now, that's kind of close to outside of videography, but if we just type in drone videography like this and hit enter, you're going to see that there are all sorts of services out here where people are making anywhere between $5 and $1,000 with videography. Look at this. I will drone videography photography in Maryland. So this person is making money, $50 in fact, for recording different spots in Maryland. Another thing that you can do is you could film weddings. Obviously, that's going to be a little bit more local, but what you can do is use a website like Thumbtack. This is actually how I found web design clients when I first got started. I just typed in videography once again, wedding and event videography, wedding videography. What you can also do too is you could do videography, or you can record videos and make videos for local businesses that want to run ads. Maybe they want to run YouTube ads, or they want to start their own YouTube channel, but they don't have the setup. They don't have the equipment required. You can actually record those and edit them, and you can make money that way. So I really like those different opportunities. Drone videography. One of the coolest things that I've seen recently is roofers, instead of getting on the roof, they actually will just send a drone up and they'll record what they see on the roof from the drone, and then they actually saves them from getting up on ladders, and it saves them time. So there are tons of opportunities out there. And that leads me into my last one, local businesses. You can work with local businesses to record different things that they're looking for. Sometimes they want virtual tours. You can record that. If they're looking to run ads for their local area, you can do that as well. And believe me, people love to work with other local businesses, and so you can find tons of opportunities. So let's go ahead and run through those real quick. Number one is to create a course. There's 2 different ways to do that. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3, start a YouTube channel. Number 4, create and sell digital products. Number 5, sell stock videos. Number 6, start a blog. Number 7, you can freelance, and there's tons of ways to do that. Number 8, you could work with local wedding venues as a package deal. Number 9 is with local businesses. Now that you know 9 new ways to make money as a videographer, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step guide to make money online in 4 simple steps. Click the first link in the description, or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.